guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's another video of my daily life in Germany. So today we will gonna visit the rabbits in our garden, and you will be able to know the rabbits are not scariest or angriest. They are more friendly. You can have a look. Let's go. This is the balcony where I live in Germany with my wife. This is the garden outside, and have a look. This is the downstairs. This is our garden house where there is a rabbits living. This is the garden for the rabbits to play around. Here is the house for the rabbits, one of the house. Here there are only 2 rabbits at the moment inside. Have a look. This is very cute and not angry, this one. This is calm. But this one is very angry, only one. Look at him when he's attached. How come he's making a lot of sounds? Did you see them? He is the only one very angry. But this one is fine, but he is very angry always. So did you saw it how angry he is? He's very naughty, biting all the time. So we go to the other rabbits. This is the garden house, and this is our garden. My mother-in-law is always loving for the gardening. She loves to do the gardening. Look, the flowers, roses, and here the tomatoes she grow. There are also the tomatoes, and here carrots and everything. The sunflower also here, and this is our garden. Usually we all sit here in the summertime or when all families are together. And this is the cage for the rabbits. Usually they play here in this box. This is the fishing box. And look, there are the rabbits. These are the house for the rabbits again. This is the rabbit. He's a little bit shy. He's always scared and shy. No? He don't do anything, but he's only getting scared of the people. So one down, then let's go for the next one. Also very calm. The rabbit boyfriend of her is actually just recently died, so she is also a little bit sad. So we go for the next ones. So these are the babies. Look at them. 1, 2. They are actually very shy at the moment, and they are running away. They are also getting scared. This is the mama of them. And we go for the next ones. So they're all coming closer. They don't do it actually. This is the mama. This is the rabbit. Look. I hope you're gonna like the video, guys. Just watch the video until the end. They like to play today. And now I will gonna put them outside in the cage for you all to see, but only the kids, not the mama. So I will gonna put them inside this tub in the bucket. Look how they're coming in. Okay, now they're all in the bucket. Now I will take them to the place where they will play today. And look at them how they will go out. Look at them, they already started playing, guys. And one already came out from the like two of them, they came out. Here I live, guys, and also this is my daily routine plan, like for playing with the rabbits, sometimes going for biking, and most of the time I feed them. Yeah, if I put the apples for them now, these bees will also attack the apples now. Yesterday I put some apples for the bees and they are also eating. Have a look, the bees on the apple. The bees also love the apples. So now I'm sitting with the rabbits here and they will come closer to play with me. Have a look. They don't do anything. They don't bite you until and unless you put the finger in the mouth of them. They're calm. Look, they're sweet. It feels very good to play with the rabbits. Okay, I will gonna make a little bit on the time-lapse video. Let's see what they do usually in this box. Have a look, guys.
Jack it up.
Look how they're playing. They love to run and jump. And guys, most important thing, if you have rabbits at your home and if you want to put them in the box for outside playing, please don't leave them unattended. If the eagles saw them or any other birds saw them, they are very small at the moment. They will grab them and take it away and you will never find it again. So be careful when you're putting them outside. Let them enjoy outside, and yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. See you next time. Ciao.